If you're a homeowner like me, you might hold your breath every time you get your utility bill, especially if you live down in the South where my electric bill skyrockets in the summer because my air conditioning is running 24/7 just to keep my house cool. As a homeowner, I've looked into many different ways to reduce my energy bill, either installing more insulation, more energy efficient windows, or just getting a whole new HVAC unit that is hopefully more energy efficient. So when I heard about a roof shingle that helps keep your house cooler and helps reduce the amount of heat that comes into your home, I was instantly curious. So I drove to Foley, Alabama to meet with Cody Galavin, the owner of Wise Builders Roofing and Renovations and an 8-year roofing veteran, to get the scoop on this cool roofing shingle. All right, so Cody, go ahead and tell us about this Pinnacle Sun shingle.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're getting ready to do the install on this roof tomorrow here in Foley, Alabama. The customer chose to go with Atlas Pinnacle Sun shingles. So there's some really cool features about this shingle. The first thing you can see here is it has cooling technology by 3M. So what that is there's actually reflective granules that they mix in with the shingle that actually reflect the solar rays away from the roof. The Cool Energy Council actually says that a cool roof that's rated like this can save 7 to 15% off your energy bill.
Pause. Cody just mentioned the Cool Roof Council, which kind of sounds like a Jedi Order or something like that. But according to their website, the CRRC is a 501c3 nonprofit organization that develops fair, accurate, and credible methods for evaluating and labeling the radiative properties of roofing and exterior wall products. So basically, the Cool Roof Rating Council is a nonprofit that provides fair ratings for cool shingles like this. Essentially, it helps verify the claims that companies like Atlas make. And according to Atlas, you could save 17 to 15% on your energy bill.
The next cool feature is they have 3M smog fighting granules, or smog reducing technology. So with the amount of granules on an average 30-40 square roof that they put in there, it has the same force and effect smog fighting ability of 2 to 3 trees.
Now, I had to rewatch this section. This shingle not only helps keep your roof cooler, but is also greener for the environment by converting air pollution into water-soluble plant food. Also, cool roofs help reduce the urban heat island effect, which is where the urban areas are hotter than surrounding rural areas.
Other cool features about this is actually a Class 3 impact rated shingle. What that means is that doing the factory test with a steel ball dropped from above head, it survived without there being mat fractures. A ball drop, a steel ball of 1.75 inches. So, you know, in your areas like Colorado or Texas where they get massive hail, that may not help you much. But here in South Alabama, where we rarely get hail that big, that's a great feature. This shingle has also passed wind test up to 150 miles an hour. The warranty is actually rated for 130, but it has passed the test to 150. And then it comes in 6 amazing designer colors that are unique to this specific shingle line. Real world story, one person in this neighborhood whose roof we installed about 5 or 6 weeks ago, they're snowbirds, so they live up in Indiana, and then they have, this is like their beach home, vacation home that they stay in here in the neighborhood. So they said that they actually set the thermostat, you know, just to stay on a certain temperature while they're gone to kind of save energy cost or whatever. And after we did the roof, they went back home for 3 or 4 weeks and came back. And they said that the internal temperature, and it had been really hot here, was actually 2 degrees less than what the thermostat was at. And they said that has never happened ever in the history of them owning the home for the past 10 or 12 years. So getting some good feedback on it. Really like the product. The colors are really nice. And so it's really a great option if you live in a warm or a tropical environment.
I also saw this video from Atlas where they measured the temperatures between 2 roofs, one with Atlas's cool shingle on it and one with just a regular shingle.
We use a Pinnacle Sun shingle with cool roof technology, 3M cool roof technology, heating less of your house, right? So the heat transfer into your house from your attic. You can actually turn up your thermostat in the summertime and keep your house just as cool. Here, you'll use a lot more energy. So you can see here, surface temperature at 132, 126, relatively the same. We want to go underneath the shingle temperature because this is trapping all the heat because it's going to go all the way through the deck. 144. Here, you're underneath your shingle temperature is down to 119. So essentially, less heat transfer. And then this is the bottom of the deck. So the decking of the roof, the very bottom of that temperature is, so the transfer is from 144 to 125. It's going to continue to increase. Here it's 119 and 119.
So from that video, you can see that this shingle does an amazing job of keeping heat from transferring into your home. What do you think about this shingle? Saving 7 to 15% on my energy bill sounds amazing. Do you think this is something you would look into getting installed on your home in the future? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking to get your roof replaced through insurance, make sure you don't miss these 5 steps.